Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the sound Voltex error code 1011-42. The error reads, "A network error has occurred." As per our research, the error comes when users try to play sound Voltex at home. The game fails to connect properly and shows this network error on the screen. According to our research, the error is usually caused by time sync issues or temporary network problems. In some cases, the error may also appear during server maintenance. First thing is that Sound Voltex is very picky about time sync. So go to your date and time settings and hit Sync now. Once the time is updated, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try power cycling your internet. Simply turn off your router, then unplug it from the power source, then wait a few minutes and then restart it. Then check for the error again. If the error still persists, then check if there is any ongoing server maintenance. If yes, then wait for some time and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.